The lazy rabbit who became a hero. In a quiet green forest, where the trees whispered in the wind and birds sang all day long, there lived a rabbit named Roni. Roni was known by everyone in the forest. Not for his speed, not for his intelligence, but for one thing only. He was extremely lazy. While other animals worked hard to gather food, build homes, and stay prepared for the changing seasons, Roni spent his days lying under a shady tree, chewing grass slowly and taking long naps. The squirrels would collect nuts. The ants would build their colonies. Even the tortoise, slow as he was, worked every single day. But Roni just laughed at them. Why work so hard? He would say. Life is meant to relax. Days passed like this, then weeks, then months, and Roni never changed. One afternoon, as the sun burned hotter than usual, a strange smell spread through the forest. It was sharp, dry, dangerous. Soon, smoke began rising from the far end of the jungle. A fire had started. At first, the animals didn't realize the danger, but within minutes, flames began to spread rapidly, jumping from tree to tree. Panic took over the forest. The deer ran in fear. Birds flew wildly in every direction. The monkeys screamed and jumped across branches. Everyone was trying to save themselves, except Roni. He was asleep, under his favorite tree, completely unaware of what was happening. The fire grew stronger. The heat became unbearable. Suddenly, a loud crack of burning wood woke Roni up. He opened his eyes slowly, still half asleep. What's going on? He mumbled. Then he saw it. Flames. Everywhere. For the first time in his life, Roni felt fear. Real fear. He jumped up and started running. But soon he realized running alone wouldn't save him. The fire was spreading too fast. As he ran, he saw other animals struggling. A family of birds trapped near a burning tree. A group of ants trying to carry their eggs to safety. A small deer crying, unable to find its mother. Roni stopped. Something inside him changed. For the first time, he didn't think about resting. He didn't think about himself. He thought about helping others. He quickly ran to the river nearby. Using a large leaf, he filled it with water and rushed back. Again and again, he carried water. Again and again, he poured it over the flames. It was not easy. He was not used to working this hard. His legs trembled. His breathing became heavy. But he didn't stop. Soon, other animals noticed him. The squirrel joined him. The monkey joined him. Even the tortoise came forward. Together, they formed a line from the river to the fire, passing water step by step, working as one team. Hours passed. Slowly, the fire began to weaken. The flames that once roared loudly started to fade. Finally, the fire was out. The forest was safe. The animals gathered together, tired but relieved. They looked at Roni. The same lazy rabbit who had never worked a day in his life had become the reason their home was saved. Roni stood there quietly, exhausted but proud. For the first time, he understood something important. Rest feels good, but only after hard work. From that day on, Roni was no longer lazy. He worked with the others. He helped whenever needed. And he never wasted his time again. Because he had learned hard work always wins.